Igbo ndị ọma mma mma nọ unu apụtala n'ụbọchị taa ana m aga ịkụzi gender in Igbo language. I will focus on people. Next time I will teach gender in Igbo language, animals. Learn how to pronounce different gender names in Igbo. We all know that a common gender classification includes masculine and feminine categories. Under masculine nouns, we have men, boys, males. So everything that belongs under masculine, like male, everything male, men, boys are known as masculine, while under feminine we have women, girls, and females generally. So let's go ahead. Now, masculine in Igbo is collectively called Ndi Ikom. Ndi Ikom. Ndi Ikom. Collectively, that's what we call masculine. And then feminine is known as Ndi Inyom. Ndi Inyom. So when you hear masculine in Igbo, you say, when you hear Ndi Ikom, that means that refers to masculine gender. And then in Igbo, when you hear Ndi Inyom, it refers to feminine gender. Under masculine, we have man or male. So man, every man or male in Igbo is known as Nwoke. Be it a baby boy, a young man, an old man, they are known as Nwoke collectively. Woman, female, they are known as Nwanyi. Nwanyi. So man, male, Nwoke. Woman, every female. A baby girl, a young woman, an old woman, they are known as Nwanyi. Father in Igbo is called Nna. Nna. Mother is called Nne. Nne. Young or small boy in Igbo is called Nwata or Nwatakiri Nwoke. If you wanna shorten it or call it in a short form, you say Nwata Nwoke. If you wanna make it long, Nwatakiri Nwoke. Both of them, both pronunciation, they are correct. Young or small girl is called Nwata or Nwatakiri Nwanyi. Just like in young boy or small boy, you say Nwata or Nwatakiri Nwoke. If you say young or small girl, you say Nwatakiri Nwanyi or Nwata Nwanyi. King is called Eze in Igbo. Eze. King's wife, Nwanyi Eze. Now, some people can call king's wife Lolo in Igbo. But if you wanna interpret it literally, king's wife is called Nwanyi Eze. Nwanyi Eze. Grandfather in Igbo is called Nna Ochie. Now, remember that Nna is father. Ochie means something old. So, Nna Ochie is grandfather, that's old father. So, in other words, like I said, Nna is father in Igbo and Ochie is something old. Likewise, grandmother is called Nne Ochie. Again, Nne is mother in Igbo. Ochie is something old. So, Nne Ochie is what we call grandmother in Igbo. Boyfriend, Enyi Nwoke. Enyi Nwoke. Girlfriend, Enyi Nwanyi. Enyi Nwanyi. Now, if you want to if you want to show ownership, like say my boyfriend, in other words, kind of possessive pronoun, my boyfriend, you can say Enyi mu nwoke. Enyi mu nwoke. Enyi is friend. Mu, you're referring to yourself. Then nwoke is male figure, could be, nwoke is male figure. So when you say enyi mu nwoke, that means my boyfriend, and you're showing ownership that this is yours, mine, my boyfriend. Enyi mu nwoke. My girlfriend, enyi mu nwanyi. Again, enyi is friend. Mu is you're referring to yourself. Mu is me. Nwanyi is female. So again, my girlfriend, when you want to show ownership, you say enyi mu nwanyi. Enyi mu nwanyi. Husband, di. Wife, nwunye. Once more, if you want to show ownership, my husband, you say di mu. Di mu. And if you want to say my wife, you say nwunye mu or nwanyi mu. Nwunye mu or nwanyi mu. Young man is called okorobia. Okorobia. So every young man, like youth, they are called okorobia. Young lady, agbọghọbịa. Agbọghọbịa. You can also call a young lady agbo. Agbo is just a short form of agbọghọbịa. So you can decide to pronounce it agbo or agbọghọbịa. They are all correct. Father-in-law, nnadi. Nnadi. Again, if you want to show ownership, my father-in-law, nnadi mu. This mu here is me. So nna again is father in Igbo. Then di, husband, mu, you or me. Nnadi mu. My mother-in-law, nne di mu. Remember, nne is mother, di is husband, mu is me. So nne di mu. Brother, nwanne mu nwoke. Nwanne mu nwoke. Sister, nwanne mu nwanyi. Nwanne mu nwanyi. Remember, nwoke has to do with male, men. Nwanyi has to do with female. So nwanne mu nwoke is brother. Nwanne mu nwanyi is sister.